Wagwan, it's Rush Hour.
KL.
Chi-Chi.
And today we're gonna be picking up girls with the flip phone.
Yeah, what you saying? Can I get your number, girl? Me, I wanna call you. Hey, where you going? Where you going? Where you going? So, what are we learning?
I'm doing accounting.
Oh, shoot. I need to get my taxes done right now. Shoot, what's your number? I can freaking put you.
Okay, fine.
Okay, what's your number?
813. Who are you?
Oh, I'm Chi-Chi. What's your name?
Isabel.
Isabel. Chi-Chi.
Why did you come up to me just because?
Yeah, just because you're good looking.
You can study with me if you want.
Man, let's get it out. But I need to get your number first so I can do
I'll
my
think
taxes.
about it. Actually, I want to think about it.
What do you mean I need to do my taxes?
I have to get to know you first if I don't like you.
You have to, I don't know. How about if you do my taxes, you can tell what I do by my taxes.
You can study with me if you want.
Okay, I guess so. So what we studying?
No, you can study your stuff and I'll do mine.
I don't got nothing to study but you.
It's okay, you don't. It's okay.
Oh my gosh, Wilfred, what's your number?
Actually, next time, if we meet again, then it's fate.
Fate?
Yeah.
I believe in that.
Okay.
Cool.
Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
Bye.
Is it because I had a flip phone?
No, it's not because you had a flip phone.
Golly.
No
It's
problem.
because I had an iPhone, you would give me your number, right?
No.
Okay. Well, it was nice meeting you.
I'll give it up.
Thank you. I like you. Thanks for being nice to me. Peace out. What's up, man?
Excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me? Hello? Excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me? Hello? Do you know where the library is? Oh, you have on AirPods.
If you go straight that way, past
Straight.
the student union.
So it's like straight ahead?
Yeah, like if you go straight and around,
Okay.
you'll see the library.
Okay.
It's a really big building that has like construction on the side.
Okay. Thank you. What's your name?
Lindsay.
Lindsay, nice to meet you. You was like, yeah. You have Snapchat or anything?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your Snapchat?
Hold on.
Got you. My bad. I'm interrupting your call.
It's okay.
What is it? I just gotta type it in.
Oh,
Got
it's
you.
LIND
D S
S
X
Y
Y.
A N N.
Okay. Thank you. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
Have a good one.
Wait, hold on a second. Hold on a second. I gotta talk to this girl. Hold on a second. I have to talk to this girl. Hey. Oh my goodness. All right, I'll talk to you later. Excuse me, I just had to talk to you. You're so very pretty.
Oh,
I was wondering if I can get your number.
on that phone?
Yeah.
Why do you have that?
What do you mean?
I haven't phone in like.
Well, like, this is like my style, so I'm kind of into these. I'm not really into like new technology like that. And it's kind of basic, you know. I live a little simplistic life.
Interesting.
Yeah. What's your name? Zoe. I'm Chi-Chi. Nice to meet you.
you.
So what's your number?
That's so funny.
What?
Your phone is
I mean, it gets the job done. Gets
sure. Okay, it's 703.
7703. Sometimes it acts out too.
51.
51. Zoe with Z-O-E?
Yeah.
Okay. I have to talk this a bunch of times.
So you
Okay.
don't use like Facebook or anything like that?
Well, if I use Facebook on this, it'll cause like more data on my phone. So I kind of live kind of simple.
Yeah, that's funny.
And plus, college life.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah,
So.
yeah, that's a cheaper option for sure.
For sure, for sure. But it was nice meeting you, Zoe.
Yeah, it's nice meeting you.
Thank you.
Excuse me. Do you know where the library is?
Yeah, just go through the student union. It's on the other side.
Student union. Where is student union?
Like after the red big bus, there's a
Red big bus.
bridge.
Okay.
Just walk. I'll take you to the student union. And just keep going forward. You'll see the John Hitt Library.
Okay. Thank you so. I like your accent.
You're welcome. Sorry. Yeah, it's heavy.
Yeah, I like it. What's your snap?
I don't have it memorized.
I got you.
I'm bad at this, but there you go.
Got you.
Is this your first semester?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Good
Got
luck
you.
navigating UCF.
Are you like deep into the semester? Like I mean like are you what grade are you in?
I'm
Or-
graduating. It's my last semester.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm young, but I'm not young.
How old are you?
23.
I mean, you are young.
Yeah.
I'm 21, but
Yeah. I just paid it no mind. What's your name?
Dina, what's
Dina?
yours?
KO.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Here you go.
Let me know if you need anything.
I added you. Thank you.
Oh my gosh, hold on a second. I'll call you back. Excuse me? I thought you were just really attractive. I just had to tell you that.
Yeah, thank you.
Super attractive. Oh my gosh. Do you mind if I get your number? What's your number?
386
386
451.
45. Jeez. Sorry, I'm not up to date with technology. I live kind of simplistic. 480. And what's your name?
Meg.
Meg? I'm Chichi. Nice to meet you, Meg. Cool. Meg.
College of Business?
No, I'm in whatchamacallit? God, late. I'm stuck. I'm too attracted to you. One second. I'm in filmmaking.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Cool.
So what's your business? Meg. Oh, finance? Cool. You already did your taxes then. That's legit. Well, okay, hold on a second. Make sure I saved it. Okay, I did. You want to hang out sometime?
For sure. I moved here in January, so I don't really.
Oh, where you from? Okay, legit. Yeah, I'm Orlando made, so yeah, we can hang out. Yeah, definitely. Definitely. And then you can show me. All right, cool. It's nice meeting you, Meg. See you.
Do you know where the gym is?
Which one? There's a small one and then there's a big one.
The one with the basketball court.
Okay, so you have to go that way.
That way.
If you go around do you know what Garage B is?
Think so.
So go this way.
Yeah.
And then there's like a garage right over here, like literally going straight. So like here's
Mhm.
the library. There's the Garage B right there. Instead of like the left side of the garage, go to the right. The gym is right there.
Okay. Is it far?
Maybe like a 5-minute walk, 6-minute, 7-minute walk. I mean, everything is far here.
Yeah.
You know.
Oh my
It's
gosh.
right over there though.
All right. Thank you. What's your name?
Needy.
KO. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
You have Snapchat or anything?
Snapchat? No.
No.
I have Instagram.
All right. What's your Instagram?
Oh my god, no. There's
Yeah.
no way that's your phone.
I'm classical.
No, there's no
Yes,
way.
it is. It
I'll
is.
give you my email since you're going for classical.
Oh, what about your number? Is better that way. All right. What's your email then? What's your?
Take forever to type. I need to go eat, man.
All right. So you got to give me something real
My
quick.
name is Needy, Nidy.
And on Instagram.
Sure.
Got you. All right. Nice meeting you. My hand.
Okay. There you go.
Thank you guys for watching. Like this video if you think you can pick up someone with a flip phone. Also, comment the first phone you ever had.
Also, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications for weekly content. I'm just playing with you. I'm just playing. We're filming a prank. I have an iPhone.
Oh my god, are you kidding me?
Look, he's over there, right
No
there.
fucking way. No.
Your reaction was so amazing. He was like, "What the fuck is this?" You don't got Snap?
Yes,
You got-
sir, I do have
You do? I was like, I know you was like, this man is a bum.
No.
Nah, you
Am I gonna be on
tripping.
YouTube? Am I finally gonna get famous?
Yeah.
Bitch, what?
Yeah. Say what's up to the camera. Damn! Oh my gosh. Bro, you see that? Come on, let's go. Excuse me, yo, you got me. I came all the way over here just to talk to you. You got me over here sprinting, girl. Meet you. I know y'all like your drip one. Yeah, you see me over there?
I seen you, but I didn't know you was coming.
I was like, damn, I gotta go talk to her real quick. What's your name again? Got anything?
Yes.
What's your snap?
You
Alright,
want me to put it in for you?
Yep.
Why are you so bleak?
I'm a star.
Wait, you have.
Flip phone. So,
you
Yeah. So what's your number?
Okay, I'll give.
What is it? 305 210.
Wait, so you have a flip phone?
Yeah, why?
Why? Why do you have a flip phone?
Cause
Answer the question. I'm not.
I got the good look on me.
So you have a flip phone.
Yeah, I don't like to be like everybody else. You know, gotta be different. It's me and you though.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, yo.
Hope to see you soon.
I'm gonna text you, alright? On my flip phone.
Oh, Don, I gotta call you back. I'll call you back. Excuse me. What's your number? I gotta talk to you. Oh my gosh, you're beautiful. Hold on.
It's my boyfriend.
Wait. Oh, my bad, bud. My bad.
Whoopsie. I got you. Give me some. Golly, I'm moist. Put a little bit too much lotion on. That's that Johnson Johnson. Where you about to go?
In class.
You added me already?
Yes. I think. Wait.
You ain't add me.
Wait.
Let me see.
Okay, I added you.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Let me see. Where is that? Royal?
Yeah.
Got you. Looking all cute in your little story.
Oh my God.
Give me a hug.
Give you a hug.
Yeah, what you want to do? You want to go out to eat? It's on me.
Oh my God.
Oh, for real?
Okay.
Bitch, okay to me. So what happened? What happened? Bitch, okay to me.
Oh my God.
What's your step?
Oh my God.
You thought I really had a flip phone? I know I got the vintage. I know I got the vintage
I know.
look.
I saw the Skechers.
You already
I was-
know.
I was like, he's going somewhere with his style.
Yeah, thank you.
There's something that you all use that Skechers puts inside the shoes. Squishy, squashy, it's so fun, it cushions when you run. Memory foamy, it's new pillows for your feet. Memory foamy, from Skechers they are so neat. Skechers now with memory foam.